皆さんこんにちは、マヨです。元気ですか？ Hello everyone, my name is Mayo. How are you? Namaste sa vlog. कैसे हैं? I am perfect. 私は超元気です。まあ、元気じゃないことはないね。I'm always healthy and cheerful and perfect. Anyway, so today we are going to teach you my one day in Japanese. My one day in Japanese.私の一日。私の一日。Do you wanna know my daily routine? No? No? Too bad. We are going to teach you anyway. さあ、please tell us today's sentences.
Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Before starting the lesson, I want to quickly apologize to you all for being a little late in bringing you this video. But I promise that this video is amazing lesson for beginners. You are going to learn two important grammars today. First one is ni particle and the second grammar is kara made. So aren't you excited about knowing what Mayo does in her entire day? Well, I am excited. Let's get started.
私は毎日7時に起きます。私は毎日7時に起きます。9時に朝ごはんを食べます。9時に朝ごはんを食べます。10時から午後5時まで仕事をします。10時から午後5時まで仕事をします。朝10時から夕方5時まで仕事をします。朝10時から夕方5時まで仕事をします。6時にヨガをします。6時にヨガをします。7時に晩ご飯を食べます。7時に晩ご飯を食べます。9時から10時までネットフリックスを見ます。9時から10時までネットフリックスを見ます。11時に寝ます。11時に寝ます。
Thank you so much, Mayo, for telling us about your one day. It was really fun and interesting. Okay, so now for the grammar explanation. The first point is about ni particle. I think most of you might have guessed it correctly by now. Ni particle comes with time and it means at of English or baje of Hindi. For example, watashi wa 7時に起きます. Here it means I wake up at 7, right? मैं 7 बजे उठती हूँ. So it's similar to at of English or baje of Hindi. Let's try to make some more sentences using ni particle.
私は昼の12時に起きます。私は昼の12時に起きます。私は4時にお昼ご飯を食べます。私は4時にお昼ご飯を食べます。
Please note here that this is not the only use of ni particle. Ni particle is used in a number of places. So please don't get confused. And please remember that with time, you will always use ni particle. But this is not the only use of ni particle. Please remember this. Alright, now for the second grammar explanation is kara made. So kara made is like from till of English. Se tak of Hindi. So if I want to say that I work from 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. or till 5 p.m. then I would use this pattern, of course, kara made. So I can say gozen 10時から午後 5時まで働きます or 仕事をします something like that. So please remember, kara and made will always come with a time limit, right? You can either use it with numbers, for example 10 a.m. till 5 p.m. or 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. something like that, or you can also use it with days, months, years maybe, right? For example, you want to say that I work from Monday to Friday. In that case, you can say watashi wa getsuyobi kara kinyobi made hatarakimasu. So you can make some similar sentences using time, maybe days of the week, or you can even use months or even years, right? So usage of kara and made is not only limited to time. You can also use it with place, but we'll be doing that in another lesson. Okay, let's look at some more examples to understand this better.
私は午後5時から午後6時まで1時間だけ仕事をします。私は午後5時から午後6時まで1時間だけ仕事をします。私は朝6時から夜11時までゲームをします。私は朝6時から夜11時までゲームをします。
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much, Mayo, for always making these videos fun and interesting for us. Hope you all learned something from this video. If you did, please like this video, share it with your friends. And if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And I have a small assignment for you. If you're watching this video right now and if you have understood the usage of ni particle and the grammar pattern kara made, then please make some sentences and tell us in the comments down below. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Matane. Bye bye.
That's all for today. Thank you very much, Indu, for teaching us grammars. And did you guys enjoy our video? I hope so. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. As always, ये तो free है. Subscribe कर देना. Okay, see you again in next video. またね. Bye bye.